Hey, what's up guys, Soldier Knows Best here. Is Apple going to end iTunes? Well, according to reports coming from Bloomberg, that is going to be the case. So Apple's getting ready to hold their annual wwdc conference, and it looks like they're going to be breaking up iTunes into 3 separate apps. So it looks like it's going to be a new music app, a podcast app, and also a TV app. And so the TV app will of course host your movies and your TV shows, podcasts will host your podcasts, and then the music app will probably still hold a lot of the same things that iTunes does now, but it'll just basically be just doing music. And so some other evidence that points to Apple really doing this is that they have cleared out their social media accounts for iTunes. So on Instagram and Facebook, they basically wiped them clean. So this definitely looks like Apple's going to be moving away from the iTunes brand, which is a big step in a different direction. And this really shows the signs of Apple, I think, really wanting to merge iOS and macOS, because on iOS, like, we already have the separate apps for the music and TV and also your podcast. So I think they just really want to bring that over to macOS, because eventually I see a few years down the road, when you have something like this iPad Pro, it's going to get powerful enough to really just run macOS. And I think Apple wants to have an ecosystem with everything just works on everything. And I think this is one of those steps to that. And I think eventually we'll get to that point where you'll have the mobile devices, and also you can switch from that and go directly to your Mac desktop or laptop and not have to worry about compatibility issues or something not being able to be powerful enough to run it. Everything will just be able to run everything smooth across all of your different devices. And so as the headlines start to come out, I think people are starting to kind of freak out a little bit. You see people kind of concerned about what's going to happen with the iTunes gift cards and all these different things. And I'm pretty sure that Apple is going to honor all of those different things and make sure this transition goes over as smoothly as possible. Hopefully they do. But I think that what people just need to kind of realize is that iTunes, as far as the name, and I think the brand is going away, but the functionality of iTunes will probably mostly still be the same, probably with some new features inside of that music app. So again, I want to say that Apple hasn't confirmed any of this just yet. It just looks like all the signs are pointing to this really happening. And so if anything changes, I will let you know. But for right now, I'm going to cut this video off, and be sure to follow me on all my social media networks, and also subscribe to me here on YouTube, as I'll be having my coverage of WWDC and all the new things, including iOS 13 and anything else that they announced from the show. And like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.